Why was Adam Levine in my dream? Cookies and cream?
Sterling!
I'm pretty good. He was shaking. What the fuck? I can't even act like I like this right now. Because I don't. I really don't. I'm not like thriving. Why was Adam Levine in my dream? He charged me $100 for lasagna on fries. My hair's so greasy. I I showered yesterday, trust me, but like I only washed my hair like 2 days ago and I don't want to wash it again because then my hair is gonna become so oily so fast. So I guess we're just gonna do a slick back bun today and hope it looks classy and not like I'm dirty. Oh, bro, I literally bought this phone a couple days ago and the buttons just don't want to work. That's so messed up. This happened to me yesterday too. Oh, why does this make me so mad for some reason? Like I can't turn off my alarm. Are you kidding me? That's so bad. Hey Siri, turn off my alarm.
I turned off your phone.
Like the fact that I have to do that because my phone screen doesn't work is so messed up. I just bought my phone. If you ever tried to do like slick back ponies or slick back buns and you don't like the way it looks, make sure you have a middle part still and brush back, not sideways. Like don't go like this. Go back. What are your sunscreen? It's the yellow thing. Yeah. Get best eyebrow glue, well eyebrow gel ever. Next, I have a package from them downstairs that I need to open today. So that'll be exciting. Geology. I switch my skincare like every day. Probably not the best for my skin, but I like to try new skincare. Obviously, like I have my favorites, but yesterday I posted on my Instagram like a new nighttime skincare routine because I was just trying out new products and it was cool. Because like I have a whole skincare drawer I'll show you that I need to try new things, but I'm gonna try this sunscreen today. I've used this a couple times. And I saw it on TikTok, so I can't remember if I like it or not though. It's by Coco Kind. I heard you're supposed to apply sunscreen in layers, so I'm like, oh, big mistake. Why is this not blending in? Have you seen like the TikTok of that girl having like a totally white face and then blending in the sunscreen? That's how I feel right now. But it's not really going too well for me. You know, I think that that's good enough. Alani New sent me some packages, and I think that there's energy drinks in them, so I'm gonna quickly open one. PR package unboxing at 6 a.m. So far, no energy drinks, and I don't think that there's any, but maybe there's something I could put to use. Stim-free pump. This is like pre-workout, but without the caffeine. Oh, I asked for this stuff. I remember I didn't ask for any energy drinks. Actually, I'm a dumbass. Maybe this is BCAAs. Stim-free pump. Oh my god. Wait, I love them. Give me a little shaker bottle. Some protein bars that are cookies and cream. I love workout stuff. What is this? Cookies and cream? Get up. Let's do it. You want one? Oh my god, they gave me BCAAs, sour peach rings. I almost forgot it. Okay, so today we're gonna drink sour peach ring BCAAs, and do we want black cherry or Arctic White? Let's do black cherry pre-workout. So we don't even need an energy drink. Okay. Today we are repping Alani New. Do you wanna come? But you can't come inside. I won't see you. 1 hour. Yes or no? Okay, yeah, let's go. Bitch, where is my phone? I did not bring my phone. Ugh. I don't know where it is. I'm gonna be late. Is it out here? Where was it? My seat?
Go home? Are you a little gym doggy? A little gym doggy?
Basically, Manny killed me today. I hit him up. I haven't seen him in so long. I was like, I need you to kill my quads. And look at me, sweating, beautiful. That's all my sunscreen just dripping. Anyways, Sterling had a great time, I think, but I posted the reel on my Instagram if you want to check that out, but that was a good pump. That pre-workout worked really well and it has no caffeine in it. Crazy. But I was feeling it. I wasn't tired that whole workout. Like after I would do a workout, I'd be walking around drinking my water. So Alani knew whatever the frick was in that. Good job. Anyways, there's these protein shakes, but they're not cold, so I'm kind of concerned. Not too sure if I want to drink this. Warm milk? I don't know if I can do that.
It might make you want to puke.
Yeah, I'm really just thinking about, like, whenever I think of warm milk, I think of like a hot day in the summer when I was a kid, and for some reason it just like curdled milk and me just
Ew.
Anyways, I want to eat something, but I don't know what I want to eat. That was such a good workout. Go hype up Manny. I'm wearing this new Gymshark set though, and it looks really good. I love wearing shorts whenever it's leg day because it just like makes you look so much better. But food that's open now. I don't want Chick-fil-A. I don't want Del Taco.
Ooh, look at this vulture.
He was just sitting outside, nice and pretty. Vegan restaurant. Let's hit it. Okay, see you in a sec. I'm out of it right now.
Sterling! No! What the fuck? I leave him in the car for What is this? Sterling, what is this? Huh? What is this? Tell me, what is this?
Like, does he like earwax or something?
What the f? He ate my Invisalign, oh my god. Bro.
Ooh!
I got a Mediterranean bowl. No more McDonald's, guys. I was tempted. I really, really, really wanted a sausage egg McMuffin, not gonna lie. I just realized I wasn't even recording. There's some like blended chickpeas, kale, cucumber, cabbage, avocado, tomatoes, pickled onion. It's yummy, really yummy. Usually I get quinoa because I love quinoa, but I'm gonna start a calorie deficit again. I did this like 3 months ago, but basically I'm gonna start also doing cardio. So my ass isn't gonna be as fat, but I'm gonna be more lean and I'm gonna have abs. But I'm gonna start doing cardio, mixing that in with heavy weightlifting, and then eating less. And I'm still not gonna be eating like less, if that makes any sense. I'm still gonna be eating like 1,500 calories a day. Usually when I order food, I order as much as I possibly can and eat it all. But we'll see. Since I work out, it's like you're burning calories, so you don't want to eat too little or else you're just gonna fucking deteriorate. This is so good. I'm gonna update y'all on my Instagram story on how my eating's going and everything, but I'm not even tracking it. I mean, I probably should, but I kind of got an eye for things. Not actually, but like I'm not gonna put it in the app because if I do, I'm gonna kill myself over it. So I'm not taking it seriously. I'm just gonna be more aware of the stuff that I'm eating and eat a little bit. Instead of like 5 tacos, maybe like 3, you know? Instead of 2 pieces of salmon, maybe just 1. So, what the f? Sterling ate my AirPod and I sent him back there, but all of a sudden he's still over here. That's like the 3rd pair of AirPods he's ate. I left them in the cup holder for 2 seconds. I left and he ate them. Anyways, we're gonna drive back home now. I have to submit a video real quick and edit it. So we got an hour drive home. Let's kill it. Time is currently 8:44, but I wanna go grocery shopping today. I need to pee so bad. I'm literally cramping and I got goosebumps and I'm holding my coochie because I need to pee so freaking bad. You ever just need to pee so bad that you start cramping up? Because that's the mood right now. This freaking turning light better turn green now. It's not gonna. It's gonna be like another 2 minutes. I know it. I'm trying to not piss myself right now because like I will. Like I actually will piss myself and like I'm not joking. Bitch got body yada yada. Oh my god, I can't even walk. I'm just laying down without my pants on. That was terrible. Like I'm actually not well right now. Ow. I've never had pee cramps that bad. Hi, time is currently 12:47 and I'm at the pool right now. Our friend has a pool, so we're chilling here. I was gonna nap, but then they stormed into my room and started screaming at me to come. I think I'm gonna nap out here, but we got a spread of fruits. We got some lychee. I haven't tried this yet. I mean, like I've tried it, but I haven't tried it like today yet since I bought it. I love lychee, but Rambutan, I don't know, is my favorite. I used to eat cans of lychee all the time. Lychee flavored anything is the best. Yummy. All right. Then we have these rosé strawberries. These are like sweet strawberries. I know they look white, but they're really sweet apparently. So, cheers. I got this at like like just a fresh produce store in LA. I'll link it down below. I mean, it's good. Nothing like crazy though, but it is good. And then we got Rambutan. This is my favorite fruit ever. I know it looks crazy, but bite half of it, pop it out, and there's a seed in the middle.
Hey everybody. Listen, I know Mai like thrives and tries to tell everybody that like, oh my god, you should eat healthy. The truth is, life is too short to eat healthy. So instead of eating whatever the frick this is what you should be eating. Come on.
I had McDonald's the other day.
You should be eating McDonald's at least once a day. If you're not, then what's the point of living? What's the point?
I really want a donut. Did I not bring my knives? I was supposed to pack knives. I grabbed them, but I didn't put them in the bag. I'm out here peeling a mango. Have you ever seen someone peel a mango? I think it's in perfect conditions for peeling right now.
Everyone in Mexico, bro.
With their fingers like this?
Yeah.
Why don't they just use a knife?
Well, sometimes you do, but like, if you grab one just from a tree one day.
Okay, I peeled a mango.
How is it? You're eating a mango authentically.
It's all right. Could be a little more right. Okay, we're swimming. Okay, guys, we have to tell the story what we're doing.
Okay, we're doing freestyle competition. Basically, freestyle means you can do anything. You can do butterfly stroke, you can do backstroke, you can do backwards, handspring.
Under, anything.
Anything. Okay.
Yeah, any type of swim lesson move.
Whoever wins doesn't get to come to dinner, or whoever loses doesn't get to come out tonight.
Do you just like not want me to go? You can just tell me.
Whoever loses has to jump in the pool naked.
You guys are already doing that. Ready?
Have I ever been ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so I won by a long run. No. I'm good at everything.
No, my top came off. I think you had an advantage.
I'm pretty good. Oh my god. We just caught a dude taking pictures of us and I confronted him with Alyssa. Excuse me. I'd really appreciate it if you deleted the photos of us off your phone.
Show us your camera roll.
We're in the same situation. I don't know what you're saying.
Just show us your camera roll that you didn't take photos of us. Yeah, those are our photos. Go back. That's your favorites.
That's your favorites.
Go back. I
Go
just
back.
saw them.
That's your favorites.
All right.
Can you please delete them?
Yes, ma'am.
No, delete them so we
Right
can
in
see.
front of our face.
Okay.
That's not it.
All right. He's like, you're standing over me.
Because you took pictures of us.
Okay. Will you sit there, please? And like.
Yeah, we can sit here, but I
But
want to
like,
see
I
you delete
expect
them.
you delete the
All
photos
right.
of us.
But please sit next to me and not stand over me. It's intimidating. I'm sorry.
I'm just making sure you're deleting them all.
And from your recently deleted.
Oh my god, I just saw a video of me, sir.
Sorry.
Yeah, can you delete that?
Yes, it's a photo. It's not a video.
Yo, I'm just gonna go talk to management really quick. Yeah. And then I don't think we should leave. It's not our place to leave.
What the? We were taking pictures and I saw him turn his phone and I was like, he's taking pictures of us. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna go up to him. And I went up to him and then Alyssa followed. He was shaking. Hi, where's the management office?
Oh, we're right here.
There's a guy out there. We were just like hanging out.
Like we're sitting at like our friend's place, and we just like are hanging out at the pool, and some guy out there was taking photos of us.
Like multiple times, and we confronted him, and he had so many pictures and videos of us on his phone.
So just I don't know, some girl that lives here told us to let you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
So I
apparently
don't
he
know
lives
if this
here.
is like a problem.
A
that
common
he's been
reoccurrence, but like, yes.
The blue shutter.
doing. Yeah, we had to like get him to delete all of them.
Yeah, he tried denying it at first.
Okay.
But yeah, I would assume he's done it before.
Okay,
But-
thank you.
Yeah.
So first that we've heard about it, but I'll get our courtesy patrol involved as well.
Okay.
To have that discussion.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So sorry for that.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's been a couple weeks since I posted that video on TikTok. Obviously not this video on YouTube here, but the video has gone absolutely viral, and I didn't even mean for it to go viral, but my TikTok has I think 7.3 million views now. On Instagram it has a couple million, and it's been published on so many meme pages and so many news news articles. I've gotten so many DMs about it being like on a German newspaper. I mean like on a German Snapchat like news show or whatever. But basically, if you don't know what's going on, when we were at the pool, we were just minding our own goddamn business, and we were swimming and having fun, and it was me, Selena, Alyssa, and Anila, and we were just swimming at the pool. And it's not our apartment, it's our friend's apartment, so it's not even like a public pool, it's like a private pool at an apartment complex. And we were there having a good old jolly old time, and Selena noticed that there was this guy there. He was like reading the newspaper the whole time basically, and he would like occasionally take out his phone and like point it towards us, but we didn't like think too much of it because like what if he's just pointing his phone and just doing whatever he's doing. And Selena pointed it out, but we didn't think very much of it until we started posing for pictures. Alyssa and I were posing to get like Instagram pictures, and then we noticed his phone like turned towards us, and like he was reading a newspaper the whole time. The boy wasn't even on his phone, but all of a sudden when we're posing and taking pictures, he gets on his phone to take pictures of us. Well, yeah, he was taking pictures of us, and Selena's like, dude, he's taking pictures of us again. And I was like, and I caught it because when she told me, I didn't like see it happen, so like I didn't know to confirm if that actually was happening. And then I caught it happen, and then we were all like and we all just kind of like stopped at our tracks. We were like, do we confront him? Like so scared. And in my head I was like, that's kind of scary, but then also in my head was, I'm never gonna see this man again, and I'm gonna regret not doing it once I go home. That's like all that goes through my head when like things like this happen. I'm like, I'm gonna regret it, and I'm gonna think about it when I go home, and I'm gonna be like, damn it, I should have done it, I should have. And I never want to be the person that's like, oh, I should have, but I didn't. So I was like, all right, I'll do it. So then Alyssa starts recording on her phone, and then I have a voice memo on my phone, but too bad the wind was like going, so you can't really hear. But I go up to him, and I'm like, I was really polite because like if he's gonna delete them, like might as well not make a big scene. So I was like, hi, excuse me, I would really appreciate it if you deleted the photos off your phone. And this man has the audacity to be like, what? And I was like, yeah, I would really appreciate it if you deleted off your phone. And he was like, I wasn't taking pictures of you. And I was like, I have a video of you pointing your phone towards us and taking pictures of us. He's like, I'd like to see the video then. And then he was like, I was just using my phone like as a dimmer. Like I don't know if he meant like his brightness turned down or like the sun was hitting his phone so he had to turn it. But I was like, I know you were taking pictures of us. And then Alyssa comes in and she's like, just show us your camera roll then. And she was being a boss ass bitch. She was like, just show us your camera roll then. He was like, we're in the same situation, like you're videotaping me. And she was like, just show us your camera roll if you didn't take pictures of us. And he denied it for a while, and then he took out his phone and he quickly thought he was being slick and then clicked his favorites so that we wouldn't see any pictures. And Alyssa was like, that was us right there. And we saw the pictures of us at the pool. And he was like scrolling through his favorites, literally shaking. And we're like, that's not it. That's not it. That's your favorites. And he thought he was being slick trying to avoid it or whatever. And then we were like, delete the pictures. He was like, yes, I will. And he was literally shaking, going through his camera roll, deleting the pictures. And they weren't just like pictures, they were zoomed in and everything like that. Like it was weird. And there were so many. Like we were standing above him for like, I would say like a minute or two because like there were so many pictures he had to go through to delete. And then he had the audacity to say, oh, can you guys stand over there like beside me? Like you're intimidating me. Like it just makes me nervous. Excuse me, boy, it makes me nervous that you're taking pictures of me while I'm in a bikini. Like I was basically freshly 18, like 6 months ago, whatever. But like, boy, he had the audacity to say that we made him nervous and we were intimidating him. We were trying to just enjoy our good ass time at the pool, and you were creepily taking pictures of us. Okay. And Selena comes up to him and she's like, oh my god, sir, that was a video of me, can you delete? And he was like, it wasn't a video, it was a picture. Like that makes it any better. Anyways, so then we walk away or whatever, and he sits by the pool for another goddamn hour. Like if that was in that situation, I would have got up and left from embarrassment, but he just sat there for another hour. I was like, maybe this happens a lot. Anyway, so then I go to the bathroom, and then right when I go to the bathroom, he goes up to Alyssa, Selena, and Anila when I'm not there, and I'm like, of course, because I was being a bitch to him after. Anyways, so he comes up to them, and I see them as I'm walking back from the bathroom, and I walk up to him, and I'm like, what's the issue? And he was like, I just wanted to like say I'm sorry, blah, blah. And I was like, thanks, just don't do it again. But yeah, that happened, and that went viral on, I mean, I think it went viral, but like so many people got to see it, and I literally put that out there so that girls could see, well, just everyone could see what happens, and that predators, creepy people, just know that you're gonna get caught one day, and that if this ever happens to any girl or just anybody, that I hope that they have the courage to go up to them like I did, and this just shows that you a boss ass. But I just hope that nobody else gets put in that situation, because it's just gross and creepy, and like I know not everyone has the balls to do that, because like it's scary, especially if you're not with a group of people or in public. That's really scary. But there was a lot of controversy on that TikTok, people being like, well, it's not illegal, so like why would you make him delete the pictures off his camera? Well, if he didn't want to go through his camera roll, he didn't have to, but he did, and we saw. But also it's just like different, like taking pictures of someone in public. I mean, I see TikToks of it all the time, people just taking pictures of people in public and like be like, oh my god, this person's so hot or whatever. But like when you are like, I don't don't even know how old, like 50 years old, and you're taking pictures at a pool where people are in bikinis. I feel like that's different. Like that's sexualizing someone, if that makes any sense. But yeah, that's a little story time for y'all. Stay safe out there, ladies. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test, got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest.